ATYR stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. With ATYR Pharma, 5% is again something, but again, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all over 5 years. Tens of thousands of dollars have been spent in context, courses, mentors, so you don't actually have to. I've been through it all, and I've been through the trenches. With ATYR Pharma, I'll come as much as to say that I don't like this trend whatsoever. Yeah, we can argue that we can use this demand as something, and sure, that's exactly what I'm looking at, but I don't like the volatility behind this. It's not like it's a curse and it's going to be like this forever, but the only thing that I would care about is a small little confirmation, man. If it doesn't quite happen, then why the heck would I force buys? You see, so I will continue to keep you updated, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.